MyFitnessPal versus Lifesum is the topic of today's video. Choosing the right diet tracking app can completely change how you achieve your health goals without the frustration of tracking calories and meals. Let's briefly explore both options. MyFitnessPal and Lifesum are popular diet tracking apps, each with unique features. The core difference lies in their approach. MyFitnessPal focuses on extensive food databases and community support, while Lifesum emphasizes meal planning and personalized nutrition. MyFitnessPal is a comprehensive diet tracking application that allows users to log food intake and exercise. With a vast database of over 6 million foods, it enables precise calorie counting. The app features a user-friendly interface, barcode scanner, and integration with various fitness devices. Strengths include its extensive community support and customizable goals, making it ideal for users seeking motivation and accountability. However, some may find the interface cluttered, and the premium features such as advanced reports require a subscription. MyFitnessPal is best suited for individuals who want detailed tracking and community interaction to support their weight loss or fitness journey. Lifesum is a nutrition-focused app that combines meal planning with calorie tracking. It offers personalized meal suggestions based on dietary preferences such as keto or vegetarian. Lifesum's strengths lie in its visually appealing design and ease of use, making it engaging for users. The app also features a barcode scanner and integrates with fitness trackers. However, while it provides personalized meal plans, the food database is less extensive than MyFitnessPal's. Lifesum is ideal for users who prefer a structured meal approach and want guidance on healthy eating habits without feeling overwhelmed by data. When comparing MyFitnessPal and Lifesum, consider your personal goals and preferences. MyFitnessPal excels in providing a vast food database and community support, making it perfect for those who thrive on accountability and detailed tracking. On the other hand, Lifesum offers a more visually appealing interface and personalized meal plans, which may appeal to users looking for a simpler and more guided approach to nutrition. If you prefer flexibility and social interaction, MyFitnessPal may be the better choice. Conversely, if you want a straightforward way to plan meals and maintain a balanced diet, Lifesum could be more suitable. For users seeking detailed tracking and community engagement, MyFitnessPal is the recommended choice. If you prefer a structured meal planning approach with personalized guidance, Lifesum is the way to go. Both apps offer unique benefits, so choose the one that aligns best with your health goals. Thank you for watching.